of water. There were a large glass bottle and each with a nook. And you add up and them and put them on the special dispenser. Bumbo clock, me know a word. Dispenser. As on this special dispenser, and that's how would you get water out. They were not only very heavy, but also very awkward. Victoria like everything super clean, even though the part where they're up.
Yo, Naga struggle, yo. The Naga struggle.
So I just found out, if you ask a Jamaican a question, they answer back with a question. So let's try it out. Yo, Adrian, is it true, man? If you ask a Jamaican a question, they always answer back with a question?
Who said that? I will tell you that. How will you read that? Who said that? Who said that?
Guilty as charged.
So what going on?
They want some money on the day.
Hello, sir. You can help me to fix this stick? How you stay? How you stay?
Okay.
You look like such a nice young man. Yeah. How old are you?
18.
18. Ever hear about a cougar? If you're interested in big woman. No? Companionship and whatever goes along with that. You would mind coming home with me later? A little companionship.
Yeah.
With somebody like me.
No problem.
Man said no problem.
Not at the moment.
No?
Not at the moment. We can have somebody that work and all stuff.
Not man. There's so much away, you know, you can manage all the way, you know. You don't want my number.
Okay. Well, not today. Probably in later.
Yes, man. You're ready right now, you know.
No, we can't leave the post.
You can't leave the post right now. So what you say?
This for real?
Show you a few tricks and things like that. What's your number?
355.
You ever try anything like that?
No, never would consider it.
Oh, this specimen of a man. Yes, man. No, because me look old, you know. Me look old. No. I'm really looking somebody to come home and, you know, help me lotion up my body and things like that. You think you would do that? Yes, man. You would do that? Yes? So you want me to come back what time now? About 8 o'clock. I could have sent you a little WhatsApp picture, you know. So you could see. So you could see and make up your mind.
Not at the moment.
No.
Not at the moment.
What I could do, you see, is to WhatsApp you a picture. But you mustn't show it to anybody, you know. Just for you to look at and, you know, feel nice. You know, but I will take a picture and send it to you by WhatsApp. If you give me your number.
WhatsApp.
Yes, so just give me the number. If you give me a number and I'll WhatsApp you a picture of me that's only for your eyes though, you know. Not for anybody to see. I could WhatsApp you a picture, you know, for your eyes only, don't show the other people. I could WhatsApp you a picture. And only for your eyes only though, you know. Yeah, no one, man. Yes.
Hey, you're the last boy where you live. Hey, boy, that boy, they're thief, you know, watch him now. Yo, I'm not like still, grandma. Yeah, I'm gonna climb that tree there. That brother, you're dead. That brother, you're dead. Watch him, man.
Yo.
Man look like him brought for mash up. Mama trunk to you know. Mama trunk, you take a dead. Hold on, what that? What that? What that? What that?
What is this? What that?
What that, my G? Russ, come on now, my general. What was that?
Them good one. Go with your good one. And your mad self. You're mad. One of the worst things about a mad girl and I all good. She mad and I all good. You know how much problem that you have pick up in your life? A mad girl with a good one. No, sir. Go on with your good one and move your blood clot. And cuss her.
Yeah.
Because remember, so you have some girl that can't cuss them about nothing else. Yeah. Two things that can't cuss them about. You're mad and you're all good. Go on with your good one and move your blood clot.
Yeah.
Good old mad girl.
Yo, good old mad girl. Yo, the brother is so like Richie feelings. Once like Richie feelings, like whoa.
A video screen made that pan. Video screen.
Oh, video screen.
Yeah. Me I do this that the people them can see some me do it. Yeah. Me can't hide or nothing.
Yeah. Where do?
Yeah, hard to understand. Hard to understand.
What do Carlan? Carlan. Hard to understand, man.
Artist, something I like so artist.
No actress.
No artist.
Drop a tune.
Move fast, my back. Move fast, my back. See island, my back. Yeah. Go for it. Creep him off. Creep off, back. Yeah.
Creep off, brother.
Catch up, back. Catch up. All right, back. Yeah.
I tell him man if
Yeah, back. Catch up. All right, back. Catch up. Right, water.
Run, my G.
Go, right. Go back. Right. Jumping right. Big man.
Yeah.
Two of them.
No. Yeah, me. Run, my general.
Go.
I'm gonna take up some food, my general.
Push and dog don't have the same
Facts. It's when you gonna start chop. I'm good, brother. I'm alright.
I never reached 35 yet. I want my bomb clock life, man. I can't shine light can't stop me from get bomb clock, man, and talk my blood clot, man.
Talk which mind way.
Talk me mind anywhere.
Where?
And the blood clot, the blood clot. I'm suck all the blood clot and go to bomb clock. I just have a mash down to bomb clock. You're going like a billow's blood clot. You better skinny. Stop going to the blood.
Yo, that lady seems troubled. Nothing funny about that video there. You understand what I say? Nothing funny about that video there. You understand what I deal with? If it's a mentally challenged person, get the person some help. Don't video and laugh off of the person and then, you know what I mean? Come on, bro. You know, not do them thing them, G. Not do them thing there.
Happy birthday, Nancy! Bumbo clad, the get shot, man. Bumbo clad, the as you come, you're so down.
Bumbo clad. I'm on my birthday. And as mama reach on the block, she get a gunshot. That rhyme. That video, it don't funny, but it funny. Watch it one more time.
Happy birthday, Nancy! Bumbo clad, the get shot, man. Bumbo clad, the as you come, you're so down.
Sorry, DNT, sorry. stay, sir. My general, you don't even have a plate. They have the food pan, the pan where the food in a way woman them share the food out and you collect food and that, my general. You're greedy bad bro. You understand what I say? Jesus God in the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand? You don't know say one nation and Imara nation. Best TikTok, we call it now reaction videos. You understand what I say? Up move.